Hi guys, welcome back. So right now we are going to take you through the room tour. I don't know if you've already been told, but we are currently in Banana Island in Doha. So this is I don't know what the room is called, but this is the suite that we have. Yeah, so it's my birthday and my husband surprised me with the trip to the Banana Islands. So let's start here where we are, so this is like a walk-in closet. So yeah, don't mind our suitcases. We literally got here last night. So this is where we'll store the suitcases. We've got a mirror there. Then, am I opening this one? Then this is where we would hang our clothes, and I can see the mister has put up his suit. Yeah. So we've got the iron, but we've got all the essentials. So this is another door. So you come through this side. So here is the getting ready station, then / bathroom. So we've got the toilet here, which is good size. Yeah, so as you come through this side, we've got the mirror, which has the his and hers sink and some good cabinets, and yeah, which is quite good. Only downside about it that I don't like is that I'm very short, so I feel like I can barely see myself because it's too high up, but it's not about me. Then this side we have the shower, which is good size. We've got the rain shower. Literally put the word rain shower. That's how the water comes out. Yeah, then we've got this little station here. It's a bit of a mess, but that's where you're getting ready, you put all your cream, body lotion, and all of that nice stuff. So one thing I love about this place is that you come out in one door. There's like a door that leads you everywhere else. So from the bathroom, we're coming out this way. We've got a big mirror, which is nice. Then we come this way where we've got our sitting area. So we've got our sitting area there, and we've got another station there where you can put all your bits and bobs if you need be. Everything is good size, reasonable size. Then we've got, so this side is like the bedroom side. We've got the bed this side. Really do love like the whole interior and the design, like, yeah, it's really cute. Then on the other side, yeah, so we've got this fan, which is, everything to be fair is very cute. I feel like everything complements each other really well. And the colors, black and brown, it is a bit of me. Then this side, we've got our TV, coffee station. We've got more cabinets for whatever stuff you want to put. Then we come this side. Bam, we've got the bathtub here, which is really cute. Like, yeah, like I do love me a room with a bathtub. So we've got a bathtub, which is really good size and quite relaxing as well. It's really nice. Then, oh gosh. Then we've got the outdoor sitting area, which is like, I've never stayed in a room that has such a big balcony, because we've got a bed, we've got a seat, we've got the table, like everything, there's everything here. Like, bring out the barbecue stand. It's quite good. And our room is so good because it looks through like such a beautiful view. Like from our room, you can see like the boat that we came in with from the airport. Yeah, like the views from our rooms are 10/10. Like pretty much can see the best part of the resort.